Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So now I'm going to unbox my Apple MacBook Air that I bought in iStudio. So here it is. As you can see, it's from iStudio. So if you want to check their website, just go to that website. Okay, so iStudio is a premium reseller of Apple. So this is my MacBook Air. I'm going to unbox this one. So if you see, this is the details or the specs of the 13-inch MacBook Air that I bought. So there you can see. If you want to check all the details of the specs, just go to Apple Store for you to be able to see the MacBook Air specs. So this one I bought it. This one is 512 MB. So there you have it. You can see the Apple logo. So we will going to open it now. See, I really like the logo of Apple. It's very nice and very famous, of course. So this one is designed by Apple in California. And these are the instructions, the Apple stickers. So if you have cars, you can put the Apple sticker there. And the MacBook Air instruction manual. So there you can see it. If you are not familiar, if it's your first time to have an Apple MacBook Air, you can just see the manual for you to be able to check it. I think there's also a instruction in your phone in the settings, so just go to the tutorial of the MacBook Air. I think there's an instruction also there if you didn't have the manual. See, there's, you can see the description of the MacBook Air for you to be able to be familiar on what keys or what are the things you need to know. Okay, so I'm just going to return this one. Okay, so this is the charger and the wire of the charger, the cable. Yeah, that's the USB cable. I think it's not a USB cable, it's a cable, C cable. Yeah, the type C cable for the charger. So this is the charger there. So for the charger, you can't use it on your phones. I think the voltage is higher compared to the one that you are using for your iPhone phones, so don't use it for the charger of MacBook Air to your iPhones or mobile phones from Apple's, because I think the voltage is different, so it might harm your phones if you use this charger for MacBook Air. Okay, so that's it. Let's see the MacBook Air. So I'm just going to open it. So there's still a plastic for, okay, so the silver color is very nice, though I really like the the gold. I'm not sure if it's a gold one, but um this is the only one that is left, or the color that is left in the Apple iStudio when I bought the MacBook Air. That's why I have no choice but to get a silver color. So that's it. Thank you.